A tribasic acid with peroxy bond is. Here to identify the answer, first I will give the structures of these four compounds, then easily we can identify the answer. Here P4O6, the structure of the P4O6 is P oxygen, said another oxygen, P. It contains POP bonds. Here also one POP bond and here one POP bond. Here the bond angle is 123 degrees and here its bond angle is 100 degrees and the bond length, PO bond length is 160 picometer. This is P4O6 structure. So anyway it is not having any peroxide linkage. Next option B, H3PO3. H3PO3 is orthophosphorus acid. It contains one double bond O, P double bond O, OH, OH, H. So it is also not, orthophosphorus acid is also not having any peroxy linkage, and basicity of this is 2. These two hydrogens can be replaced. Next option C, H3PO4 is orthophosphoric acid. The structure of the orthophosphoric acid is P double bond O and it contains 3 OH groups. So basicity of this acid is 3. It is tribasic, but it is not having any peroxy linkage. Next H3PO5. The name of the H3PO5 is peroxomonophosphoric acid. First see the structure H3PO5. The structure of the H3PO5 is, it contains a peroxide linkage like this and 2 OH groups. These 3 hydrogens, OH hydrogens can be replaced. So it is tribasic and it is having the peroxide linkage. And the name of this compound is peroxomonophosphoric acid. Peroxomonophosphoric acid. Basicity is 3. So for the given question, a tribasic acid with a peroxy bond is H3PO5.